today's the day we are going to draw the winners. So we're going to see what happens, and hopefully some folks can join us. If not, this will get saved in the stories or what have you, and then I'll also be putting it on YouTube. I have a creaky stool. Hey, Michelle. We're going to be announcing the winners for SEWMANPANTS. Hey, Raquel. Hello. So we're just gonna, hey Renata, we're just gonna be waiting for some more folks to come on, and then we'll start drawing. I'm so excited. So while before we start drawing, I just want to take the opportunity to thank all of our sponsors, and that's Fabric Mart, that is Wardrobe by Me, that is Thread Theory, I have to look because I can't remember, Twig and Tail, Sewalicious, Fabric Magpie, Love Notions, and Mayfield Fabrics. We would not have been able to have all these awesome prizes without them, so we don't know yet. We're going to draw. So yeah. Okay, so what we've done is we've gone through the hashtag and looked for all the entries that were tagged properly. We tried to kind of suss out everyone who maybe forgot a tag or something like that. So we try to help people to make sure that they got their entry to be official. So that is what we did. We compiled a list. It's huge and it's awesome, Michelle. So yeah, so I have the list. It's numbered. I think we had total 80 entries, and so the 80 entries will be entered into the random number generator, and then we shall see. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so 1 through 80, not 890. Okay, so let's see, let's make sure what we're doing here. Bum, bum, bum. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 prizes, and so we're going to be drawing 7 times, and each time any number that had been drawn previously will then be taken out of the drawing. So let me grab a paper so I can write that down. True typical style and out of sorts. Okay, so let's get to do it. All right. The first winner, and that will be the $30 gift certificate to Mayfield Fabrics, is, I can't drum, sorry, number 15. And number 15 is Taffy Apron. And that was her entry of the baby boy shorts. So Taffy Apron, and that is Mayfield. We're gonna go ahead and write it down because otherwise I won't remember. So congratulations. Let's do the next one. Number 55, and that is for the Love Notions. One boy's pattern. Number 55 is That's So Kathy with the gray tee with the gray contrast neckband. I can't talk. That's So Kathy 60 is her handle. Congratulations. Okay, next one. Boop. Number 7. And that will be for the 2 meters of fabric from Fabric Magpie. And it's number 7. And number 7 is Gil Needs to Sew. And this was for her Jedediah pants. So this is Jillian, I believe is her name. Congratulations, Jillian. She made some awesome pants for her man. I need a secretary. Magpie. That's so cool. Laura's got some great fabrics in right now too. Okay, so the next prize is the £30 voucher to Sewlicious. That is number 78. And that is Cookin' and Craftin'. And that was for her PJ pants, which I made the same ones. So that's really cool. Congratulations. Now, the next, sorry, on the paper, I write too big. The next prize is Twig and Tail. And that goes to number 43. And number 43 is That's So Kathy again. Congratulations. What did I say it was? Twig and Tail? Yep, Twig and Tail. So they've got some nice men's and boys stuff also. Really cool. Okay, so the next pattern is, or excuse me, the next prize is from Thread Theory. Why can I not say that? Blah, blah, blah. And that winner is number 28. And number 28 is Hidden Silk. Hidden Silk. Now she made her husband some really nice shirts, or her partner, whichever it is. I don't know. Let's see. And that was Thread Theory, which incidentally they have those 2 new jean patterns. Karina made the quadra jeans, and they are really nice. I'm really wanting to do those for Jack. Hey, Vicky. Okay, so let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the grand prize. And let's go. Okay, this is it. This is the big whopper. Oh, this is so awesome. Okay, so the number came up as number 3, and it's ESWETSSYR, and he made the Yves Saint Laurent, the Mod's 60s dress, but he did it in a shirt, and it's freaking awesome. So I don't know how to say your name, but you won the grand prize. ESWETSSYR. Woohoo! Now, if you don't know, you can always go to the little magnifying glass at the bottom and type in hashtag SEWMANPANTS all together, and you'll be able to see all of the entries. Now, I know some people entered late, and unfortunately that didn't count as an official entry, so that kind of stinks. But we will be doing this again next year. So keep that in mind. And thank you to everyone who joined, everyone who participated, all of my lovely co-hosts and the gorgeous sponsors and the wonderful ambassadors. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This was so much more fun than I really anticipated, and I really enjoyed doing it, and I look forward to doing it again next year. So this video will be on my Instagram, and this will also go onto my YouTube with any luck, as long as the technology monster doesn't bite me. So yeah, that is it. Thanks guys, take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye.